Today, I will be walking you through the self-selection process for learning communities. First, you'll need to log into your housing portal with your Iowa State NetID and password. Once you are logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this, and you will click the tab that says On-Campus Housing Contract. After selecting this tab, you will scroll down until you see the academic year 2025 to 2026 contract and will click Continue. After clicking Continue, you will scroll down until you see Save and Continue, and you will keep clicking that until it takes you to the Learning Community Room Selection tab. Once you are under that tab, you should see a page that looks like this. Here, you will only be able to see the room types that are within the learning community you preferenced. Once you find the room type you are looking for, you will click Select. After clicking Select, it will only show rooms available within the learning community. When looking at rooms, you can click Show Room Info, and you'll be able to see if anyone is currently living in that space, as well as the building floor plans. Once you find a room you like, you will then click Add to Cart. After clicking Add to Cart, it will then take you to a page to assign your bed space through this drop-down menu. After assigning yourself a bed space, you will click Assign Beds. After clicking Assign Beds, it will take you to this confirmation screen. Once you confirm that this is the space you are wanting, you will click Save and Continue. After clicking Save and Continue, it will tell you you've selected your room assignment, and you can click the Return to Home tab. To verify that that room selection went through, you can click the My Room Assignment tab, and then More Details. Here, you will be able to see all room information as well as the floor plans of the space. That is how you go through room selection when you are in a learning community.